Okay, I put this little screw which I detached at the bottom, which is holding this line to the turbo. I put the screw back in so that I wouldn't lose it. I still have, let's see here, these two bolts which go on top, and this one banjo bolt which goes on that guy over there. So it's not easy to put that back in right now, so I'm going to leave it out. So let's see if I remove this vertical clamp, I can't imagine that the hose will just come out. I've been doing this for a while. So.
I know you've been doing it for a while.
Yeah, I will be doing it for a while and then.
So I'm part of it.
I'll come with you. If you want, you said you wanted me to come, so I'll come.
No, I'm just asking.